In every kitchen, there is a desire to create something memorable, and the best blender and food processor turns that desire into reality. It brings power, precision, and elegance together, making every preparation feel effortless and inspiring. Imagine transforming fresh ingredients into smooth blends or perfectly processed creations that awaken the senses. Whether for daily routines or special moments, it adds joy, confidence, and creativity to every step, making your kitchen feel alive with flavor and possibility. Number 1. Vitamix Explorian with Programs 3 Blending. Every preparation in the kitchen deserves a touch of excellence, and the Vitamix Explorian with Programs Professional Grade Blender Renewed Premium Slate turns that belief into reality. Its powerful design brings ingredients together with remarkable smoothness, allowing each blend to feel luxurious and full of life. The spacious 64-ounce container makes it simple to craft generous servings for family moments, personal routines, or creative culinary experiments, filling the space with energy and aroma. Its elegant slate appearance adds a sophisticated charm to any kitchen, creating an environment that inspires confidence and creativity. Each use delivers textures that feel professional, turning simple ingredients into creamy, rich, and vibrant creations without extra effort. Whether making refreshing drinks, warm soups, or experimenting with new combinations, this appliance supports every step with reliability and grace. It is not just a tool, it becomes part of your daily rhythm, transforming ordinary tasks into meaningful experiences that bring joy, flavor, and connection into your kitchen. Number 2. Oster Classic Series 16-Speed Blender. Every blend tells a story of flavor, texture, and care, and the Oster Classic Series 16-Speed Blender with Food Chopper 5-Cup Glass Jar Countertop Kitchen Blender Brushed Nickel brings that story to life beautifully. Its thoughtfully built structure turns fresh ingredients into smooth, rich, and vibrant creations that make every preparation feel special. The strong glass container holds the perfect amount for family moments, friendly gatherings, or nourishing daily routines, filling the kitchen with aroma and energy. Its brushed nickel body adds a timeless touch of elegance, blending seamlessly into any space while enhancing the atmosphere with sophistication. Each use creates a sense of confidence as fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients transform into creamy, delightful blends with effortless ease. Whether experimenting with new flavors or crafting favorite recipes, this appliance becomes a reliable partner in every culinary moment. It inspires creativity, elevates routines, and brings warmth to daily life, turning ordinary blending into a joyful ritual that leaves lasting impressions. Number 3. Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender. Every culinary moment becomes more inspiring with the Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender with glass jar and 24-ounce to-go cup countertop kitchen blender brushed nickel. Its thoughtfully built design transforms fresh ingredients into smooth, rich textures that awaken the senses and bring excitement to daily preparations. The durable glass container holds the perfect amount for personal wellness routines, family moments, or friendly gatherings, filling the space with inviting aroma and vibrant energy. Its brushed nickel finish adds a refined charm to the kitchen, blending timeless beauty with modern appeal in a way that feels effortless. Each blend creates a feeling of satisfaction as fruits, ice, and other ingredients turn into silky creations that feel professionally made. Whether exploring new flavors or crafting everyday favorites, this appliance becomes a trusted partner, supporting every step with reliability and grace. It turns simple blending into a joyful experience, adding comfort, creativity, and confidence to every moment spent in the kitchen. Number 4. Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer Machine. Every moment spent preparing fresh juices and wholesome blends becomes more meaningful with the Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer Machine. Easy to clean, masticating slow juicer, coarse strainers, self-feeding, hands-free, family-size, quiet motor, easy assembly, kale dark green. Its thoughtful design transforms fruits and vegetables into vibrant, nutrient-rich creations that awaken the senses and energize the day. The family-sized capacity allows for generous servings, making it easy to nourish loved ones or enjoy personal wellness routines without hassle. Its quiet operation and smooth performance bring calm and focus to the kitchen, turning each preparation into a satisfying and stress-free experience. The elegant dark green finish adds a natural, refreshing touch to any kitchen, blending functionality with style. Each use inspires confidence as ingredients transform into smooth, wholesome juices that feel professionally crafted. From experimenting with new flavors to enjoying daily healthy routines, this appliance elevates the experience, making ordinary kitchen tasks feel joyful, creative, and fulfilling while encouraging a lifestyle filled with wellness and vibrant energy. Number 5. Ninja Mega Kitchen System Blender. Every moment in the kitchen becomes an opportunity to create something extraordinary with a Ninja Mega Kitchen System 1500 watt 72-ounce full-size blender and 8-cup food processor with two 16-ounce to-go cups. Black BL770. Its thoughtfully designed system transforms fresh ingredients into silky smoothies, creamy purees, and perfectly mixed dough, bringing joy and satisfaction to every preparation. The generous containers allow for family servings, gatherings with friends, or personal wellness routines, turning ordinary recipes into memorable experiences. Its sleek black appearance adds a modern and polished touch to the kitchen, inspiring confidence and creativity with every use. Each blend and process delivers smooth, consistent results, making every moment in the kitchen feel effortless and rewarding. Whether experimenting with new flavors, preparing daily favorites, or creating healthy treats, this appliance becomes a trusted companion that elevates every culinary journey. It transforms simple tasks into inspiring rituals, filling the kitchen with aroma, energy, and a sense of accomplishment that makes cooking and blending more enjoyable than ever.